Hi friends, in this video let us solve a network theory related question asked in GATE 2009 EEE paper. So it's two questions, so we will see the questions. For the circuit given above, the Thevenin's resistance across the terminal A and B. So what they ask is Thevenin's resistance across A and B. This is the first one. And second one is for the circuit given above, the Thevenin's voltage across terminal. So they are asking R Thevenin and V Thevenin. So let us see. Okay, first we will find what you call R Thevenin, right? So R Thevenin we have to find. So you see the circuit has both independent source and independent source. Whenever we have a dependent source, if you want to find R Thevenin, what we have to do? We have to remove the independent source. Here we have a 5-volt independent source, so that we have to remove. So if you remove voltage source, that will become short. Now this is 2k, this is 2k, and this one will be like this, 1k. Fine. Then what we have to do? Across the load we have to put 1-volt source, and this is I, current supplied by the source. So this is plus minus, this is 3VAB, this is AB. So what we do, in the across which terminal we have to find R Thevenin, that terminal we have to replace by 1-volt voltage source and find current. Then R Thevenin is given by V by I. So V is equal to 1 volt, this V, 1 volt divided by I. So what I need to find? I have to find I. Okay, now how to find I? Let us simplify this. These two are parallel. So 2k parallel. So if you simplify, it will become 1 kilo ohm. And this one will be like this, plus minus. This is 1 kilo ohm. And here we have 1 volt. This is I. So I have to find I. This is 3VAB. Right? So you see, this is A, this is B. So voltage across AB is 1 volt. So 3VAB is equal to 3. Fine. Okay. Now what I do? I find what is the current value. Here you see we have two nodes. So let us assume this is node 1. This is node 2. Right? Okay. So in between two non-reference node, we have one voltage source. We have to apply super node analysis. Right? So whenever we want to apply super node analysis, what we have to do? This is incoming current I. Let us assume this is I1, this is I2. So when you want to apply super node analysis, what we have to do? First we have to apply KCL at independent node directly. So incoming I, fine, plus I is equal to I1 plus I2. This node, current through this node, current across this node is V2, sorry, this is I2, this is I1, incoming is I. So I is equal to I1 plus I2. I, okay, fine. So I is equal to I1 is nothing but V1 by 1K. I2 is V2 by 1K. This we have done. Then we have to apply KCL at only this super node branch. So how we are applying? You see, so not KCL, KVL. I redraw the circuit, only that branch. How I am going to apply? You see here, plus minus 3. Here, this is V2, so it is plus minus. So V2 plus minus. This is V1 plus minus. Apply KVL here. So what is the thing happen? So here 3. So here current encounters plus terminal first. So V1. Here it encounters minus V2. So what we get is V2 minus V1 is equal to 3. Fine. So 3 V. Okay. So this is what I have done here as V1. Okay. So So V2 minus V1 is equal to 3. Clear? Okay. Next. So now we will see from this. I know what is V2. From the diagram we will understand. Sorry, V1. This is V1. Voltage across this 1K is V1. So this V1 is same as this 1 volt. This is also 1 volt. Voltage across AB is 1 volt. So same thing is applying across here. So V1 is equal to 1 volt. So from the diagram we understand V1 is equal to 1 volt. If you substitute here, V2 is equal to 4 volt. Okay, so what is I? I is equal to V1 is 1 volt, 1 by 1K, V2 is 4, right? So 5 milliamps, 1K ohm, right? So 5 milliamps. What is R Thevenin? R Thevenin is V by I. V is 1 volt, IK is 5 milliamps. That is equal to 0.2 kilo ohm. So R Thevenin is 0.2 kilo ohm. Okay, let us see is there. Where is the answer? Okay, R Thevenin is 0.2 kilo ohm. So option B is a right answer. So if you have any doubt how to write KVL KCL equation for super mesh, so please refer my video on super node analysis, right? Okay, next second part is what they are asking. They are asking VThevenin, right? For the circuit, for the same circuit, we have to find the VThevenin. Okay, let me draw the circuit diagram again. So VThevenin I have to find. How will you find? So this is 2. Here we have 5 volt. This is 2K. So this is 2K ohm. That's what they have given. 2K ohm. This one plus minus 3 VAB. This is 1K ohm VAB. So what I have to find? I have to find VThevenin across this. VThevenin is nothing but open circuit voltage. So I have to find voltage across AB. So open circuit voltage I have to find. Okay, so let me apply KCL here. Let us assume this is node 1 V1. This is node 2 V2. Right? So I apply KCL. So at node 1 it is for this branch V1 minus 5 divided by 2. For this branch it is V1 by 2. Next for this branch V2 by 2. Since voltage there is one voltage source between two non-reference node, we are going to apply super mesh, right? Because we have one voltage source between the two non-reference nodes, so we have to apply super mesh. Whenever we want to apply super mesh, we have to write KCL at the independent node directly. Then we have to apply KVL across this node. So this is equation number 1. If we simplify, this is V2 by 1. So it will become my V1 minus 5 plus V1 plus 2V2 is equal to 0. So it is 2V1 plus 2V2 is equal to 5. So this is equation number 2. Right? So then what we have to do? We have to apply KVL at only across this supernode branch. So to apply KVL to supernode branch, I will draw the circuit again for simple understanding. So only this branch, supernode branch, we have to supermesh branch we have to take. So this is V1, we know, plus minus. This is plus minus V2, plus minus 3VAB. 3VAB. So we see VAB. This is what VAB. VAB. So I assume this is V2 means VAB is voltage across AB also V2. So this implies VAB is equal to V2 because this voltage across 1 kilo ohm is nothing but in parallel voltage same. So this is V2 means VAB is also V2. So 3 VAB is nothing but 3 V2. Right? So that I can write as 3 V2. Okay. Now I apply KVL. So 3V2 here first it encounters plus, again at this point it encounters plus, so V2 Here it encounters minus, so minus V1 equal to 0. So this indicates 4V2 minus V1 is equal to 0. This is equation number 3. Right? So I want what? I want voltage across AB. Voltage across AB is nothing but V2. V2 is the voltage. This voltage is same as AB. So I want V2 only. So I simplify from 2 and 3. What I get is, if I multiply this one by 2 times, what I will get is 2V1 plus 2V2 is equal to 5. So here I put equation number 2, 2V1 plus 2V2 is equal to 5. If I multiply this one 2 times, minus 2V1 plus 8V2, 3 into 2 equal to 0. Right? So 10V2 is equal to 5. V2 is equal to 0.5 volt. Right? V2 is 0.5 volt. What is V2? V2 is voltage across 1 kilo ohm. The same voltage appears across AB. So VAB is equal to 0.5 volt. That's what open circuit voltage. Open circuit voltage is nothing but Thevenin's voltage. So V Thevenin is 0.5 volt. So let us see where is the answer. The answer is 0.5 volt. So option D is the right answer. Thank you.